Ever driven through Beverly Hills and wondered what's behind those towering gates and manicured hedges? Beyond the walls lies a world of unimaginable luxury, private kingdoms for Hollywood's elite. These aren't just houses, they're personal resorts, built for the biggest names in entertainment. We see celebrities on the red carpet, but their real lives remain a mystery. Today we're pulling back the curtain on these mega mansions. Imagine a home so vast you could get lost in it, with every whim catered for. Think bowling alleys in the basement, private nightclubs and aquatic playgrounds with waterfalls and swim-up bars. Forget a simple gym. Picture a two-story wellness center with a spa and juice bar. These features rarely make it into magazines. They're the personal touches that turn mansions into legends. Secret tunnels, luxury panic rooms, and endless innovation define these estates. Privacy, comfort, and mind-blowing customization are the norm. We're about to explore the heart of Hollywood's hidden real estate. This isn't just about pretty houses, it's about the mindset and ambition behind them. The artistry, engineering, and sheer scale will redefine your idea of a dream home. Prepare to see luxury on a level you've never imagined. The secrets behind these high walls are more spectacular than you could ever dream. Get ready for the ultimate insider access. We're stepping into a world where reality feels like fantasy. Welcome to the unseen world of celebrity mega mansions. Let's discover what it truly means to live in the lap of luxury. The journey starts now. Are you ready to step inside? In the Hollywood Hills, homes aren't just built, they're sculpted. Many are glass palaces, designed to erase the line between indoors and outdoors. Imagine waking up to floor-to-ceiling glass walls with the city sparkling below. These architectural marvels perch on hillsides, capturing breathtaking views from ocean to skyline. Architects here are artists, using light, space, and natural materials to create inviting, grand spaces. Retractable glass walls merge living rooms with terraces at the push of a button. Entertaining flows seamlessly from kitchen to pool deck. Smart technology is everywhere. Lighting, climate, and security all controlled from your phone. Draw a bath on your way home, or set the pool lights to match your mood. The tech is invisible, making luxury effortless. Every room offers a unique vantage point. Sunrise in the kitchen, sunset from the master suite. Living here isn't just about the view, it's about feeling connected to the city in a profound way. These homes anticipate your needs before you do. The design is open, airy, and always focused on the panorama outside. It's like living in a constantly changing work of art. The Glass Palace is the ultimate sanctuary in the sky. Here, you're truly on top of the world. Welcome to architecture without limits. Step inside, and the luxury is overwhelming. Interiors are personal sanctuaries, reflecting each celebrity's unique style. Walk-in closets become multi-room boutiques, complete with custom lighting and champagne bars. Private movie theaters rival real cinemas. Tiered seating, velvet loungers, and candy counters included. Amenities go beyond the ordinary indoor basketball courts, recording studios, and full spas with saunas and plunge pools. Kitchens are masterpieces, multiple islands, chef-grade appliances, and even separate catering kitchens for events. Imagine a pizza oven from Italy, or a wine cellar for thousands of bottles. The master suite is a retreat sprawling bedroom, his and hers bathrooms, and enormous closets. Bathrooms are personal spas, marble showers, soaking tubs with city views and heated floors. Every detail is about comfort, privacy, and escape. These homes are designed for both intimate moments and grand entertaining. Whether you're relaxing or hosting, every space is tailored for luxury. The celebrity sanctuary is a world apart. It's where the pressures of fame melt away. Here, home is the ultimate reward. This is personal luxury, redefined. Welcome to the inside of Hollywood's most exclusive sanctuaries. What does this luxury cost? The numbers are staggering. Entry-level celebrity mansions start at $20 million, but the most exclusive soar past $100 million. For that, you're buying more than a house. You're buying a landmark with acres of prime land and unmatched craftsmanship. But the purchase price is just the beginning. Property taxes alone can top $500,000 a year. Insurance and utilities add tens of thousands more. Imagine the electric bill for a 25,000 square foot home. Full-time staff is essential. House manager, housekeepers, chef, chauffeur, gardeners, and 24/7 security. Annual staff salaries can reach $500,000 or more. Maintenance is relentless. landscaping, window cleaning, and constant tech upgrades. Budget at least 1–2% of the home's value for yearly upkeep. That's $1 to $2 million a year for a $100 million mansion. Owning one of these estates is like running a luxury hotel. Every detail, every service, comes at a premium. The hidden costs are as impressive as the homes themselves. This is the true price of paradise. For the ultra-wealthy, it's the cost of perfection. Welcome to the economics of Hollywood luxury. Why do celebrities pour so much into these homes? It's about more than comfort. These mansions are symbols of success, a tangible reward for years of hard work. They're trophies, monuments to a journey from obscurity to stardom. Privacy is priceless. Behind high gates, celebrities escape the constant gaze of the public and paparazzi. The home becomes a fortress, a safe haven where they can truly be themselves. The grander the property, the greater the sense of seclusion. These spaces also fuel creativity, studios for artists, recording rooms for musicians, libraries for writers. The home itself becomes a muse, inspiring new ideas and art. Comfort and entertainment matter too. Lavish parties, family gatherings, and endless amenities for fun and relaxation. The mansion is the center of their social universe, a place to create lasting memories. For their children, it's a magical playground. Ultimately, it's about building a world that caters to every need and desire. These homes are more than shelters, they're personal kingdoms. The psychology of grandeur is about security, inspiration, and celebration. It's a lifestyle few can imagine, but many dream of. In Hollywood, home is the ultimate status symbol. That's the real power of these extraordinary estates. For celebrities, privacy is the ultimate luxury. It starts at the street, imposing gates, security cameras, and sometimes guards. Long, winding driveways put distance between the public and the home. Dense landscaping and tall hedges create a natural privacy screen. Security is multi-layered motion cameras, infrared sensors, and even pressure pads under lawns. Inside, panic rooms are hidden suites, luxurious, secure, and self-sufficient. The house sits at the center of a large plot, surrounded by high walls and dense foliage. The goal, a 360-degree bubble of privacy. Celebrities can enjoy their pools, gardens, and tennis courts without fear of prying eyes. In a world of constant exposure, these mansions are true fortresses of solitude. Privacy here isn't just a feature, it's a way of life. The future of luxury living is evolving. Mega mansions were once the ultimate status symbol, but priorities are shifting. The next wave is about sustainability, wellness, and a deeper connection to nature. Imagine homes with solar farms, geothermal systems, and organic gardens. Luxury, with a minimal footprint. Green luxury is the new status symbol. Comfort without compromise. Harmony with the environment. Wellness is key. Dedicated yoga spaces, cryotherapy, and kitchens designed for healthy living. The home becomes a tool for optimizing health and happiness. As luxury evolves, it's about more than size, it's about meaning. What would your perfect paradise look like? In the world of unseen luxury, the dream is always changing.